Hi everyone, welcome. If you're new, hello, my name is Melanie, and if you're returning friends, thank you. You guys, thank you for coming back and watching another unboxing here on our channel. For today's video, I will be unboxing my Ipsy Glam box. Is that what it's called? The Ipsy. My goodness, it's been a minute, you guys. I have upgraded my Ipsy bag, glam bag. I used to get $10 and now I do get the $25, but I am subscribed to them every other month, so I am happy with that subscription. I do get my fix with Ipsy every other month. So I hope you guys stay and watch this unboxing. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. Please give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more from me. And please turn on that notification bell so you guys don't miss out on any of my unboxing. So if you guys want to see my Ipsy unboxing, then just keep on watching. This is the box right here. It's really pretty. I love the color. Just, screams spring, and then inside your products are protected. Discover yourself, and you do get a pamphlet that lets you know all of the products that you have inside. It gives you the prices, a little bit of info about the product, so that's pretty neat. We don't have all the products, so we need to do a full face, so of course I have to dig in to my own collection to do a full face. So when I'm doing all of that, I will fast forward or maybe just edit those part, but I will definitely have all that in the description below. Always check that out. Yeah, so we have the pamphlet right here, and the theme for this month is Full Bloom. This is our palette right here, and really pretty packaging. It says Miami in the front, and then at the back it shows you a little picture of the palette. It says Miami. So it says create endless looks with 8 Miami inspired shades. So this is the inside right here. These are the shades right here. You have mattes on the bottom, and then we have shimmers on the top. If there are colors that I would wear on a daily, this is definitely it, because this right here is just so pretty. And then you add this bronze right here. You have that rose gold right there, and you can use this as a highlighter in a coral highlight. It's just so pretty, guys. Put this all over the lid so it will make your colors more vibrant. It's such a gorgeous shade. Before we get started, you guys, I forgot to show you the bag that's in our box this month. You guys, how gorgeous is this? I love this bag. This is by far my favorite bag, I think, because of the color and the flowers. You have this little ring, and then the inside is pretty nice. It is pretty roomy in there. It's pretty deep, so you can put all your goodies in here. So it's so neat. I love this bag, you guys. I'm glad that they are putting bags in our box. Let's go ahead and prep our lid, you guys. I just want to mention this amazing product. This is from Joy Cosmetics. This is a new product from them. This is their Clean Canvas Eye Base. This is in medium 1. You guys, I've been loving this product. I'm one of those creatures that just uses concealer for their eyes, but I cannot put this down. I love it. The consistency of it, it is really nice. It's not too thick, it's not too thin, it's not one of those drying products on the lid. I just dip my brush on here like a little tiny bit, and it picks up so much. This little jar right here will last you for a long time because you don't need a lot. This product right here is pretty good, so please try them for yourself. It blends so nicely. It makes your lid so bright. It makes your shadow blends so well, you guys. This is such an amazing product. I don't know how to pronounce this name, so we're just gonna point. So we're gonna take this one right here, the lightest matte shades, and we are gonna set this this base. Jennifer Gerard said you don't have to set this, but with my hooded lids, I like setting my my shadows. It kind of, it protects my creasage, because if I don't set my my base, my concealer, it will definitely create the, you know, the crease right there right away. So we're just gonna go down the line with the matte shade. So I'm gonna go with the next shade right here, and we're gonna put that on the crease. Just get our, ooh, it does give us a lot of kickback with the shadow, but that's okay. That's why I like doing my eyes first. So if I do have fallout, it's okay, we can always just clean it out. But if you do have your full face already, make sure you tap your excess, and it's no biggies, you guys. There's always ways to protect your full face. Add a little bit of powder on your face so you can just kind of dust it off. So, you know, no worries. As long as the shadows gives out amazing pigments, if it gives you a little bit of kickback, it's okay. Look at that. That is a perfect shade for our crease, you guys. So I like to start my my crease color right here, and then I build up and then go down from there. That blended so nicely on the lid, you guys. Moving on to our next matte shade, we are gonna take South Peach. That's the shade. I'm just using the same brush, you guys. Tap the excess a little bit, and wow. Now this one, I am gonna apply this onto my crease, but I'm also gonna put this all over the lid as well. And when I get to this end right here, I blend up most of the time. Oh, it is blending so nicely. The key is you blend, blend, blend. Make sure your shadows are well blended before you move on to your next shade. I'm gonna take a small brush. We're gonna take this, and we're really gonna define a Filipino. A Filipino cannot say an F. So, okay, I'm gonna take this last dark shade. This is Cafecito, and I am gonna take this and really define our crease. So with this one, it's easier for me to go above my little fold right here if I look forward. So I can go above that and make sure that I go high enough so I can create that make-believe crease for me. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and, you know, get a little V shape right here at the edge. I'm not gonna go in too much. I'm just gonna stay right here and bring it up, and then just go back with this brush right here and just diffuse the top. You can always go back and forth with this, you guys. That is what blending is. Now we're moving on to the shimmer. We're gonna take Everglade, and that's gonna go on the outer part of our lid right here. You can definitely wet your brush, or you just use your finger if you want to. We're gonna blend all of this in a minute. Now I'm gonna take, which one should we take? We're gonna take Port-au-Prince, this one right here, and that's gonna go in the inner part of our lid. Ooh, yes, that is pretty. It gives you like a wet look to your lid. Mix it with the evergreen. Ooh, gorgeous. I feel like this one picked up better with the brush than the evergreen. I'm just gonna add that dark brown on the edge, blend up here. I'm gonna apply my eyelid tape, and I'll be right back because we do have eyeliner, so I shall be right back. So this is our next product. This is the packaging, you guys. I just want to show you just the packaging because company does take pride on their packaging, so I want to showcase them as well. So this is what it looks like. It's really pretty. So there's our eyeliner right here. Let's see, this is a dual-ended gel and liquid eyeliner. So we have our liquid and you have our gel liner right here, so that's pretty cool. Dark one is the liquid eyeliner, and the bottom one is the gel liner. I already have my tape, you guys. If you struggle with wing liner to get it even, to get that sharp line, definitely try the tape because it definitely is a good hack. Now I already have my eyelid tape, you guys. If you are curious about that, I will link some videos for you guys on the cards and of course on in the description below. Also doing giveaway with eyelid tape, so check that out. I'm sorry if it gets blurry. So we're gonna start with the one with the eyelid tape. This thing is so dark, you guys. I just pressed along my lash line first. We're gonna leave that one alone for now and move on to the other side. You can always adjust if we want to later. I know I messed up on this one. It's gonna be really thick. We probably have to adjust more. Our next product, you guys, is from Ciate London. This is their triple shot double XL mascara. So this is our mascara. Let's open it. Let's see what the wand looks like. So the wand is long and the bristle is pretty short, so that will grab a lot of our hair, especially on the bottom. So I like bristles like this, you know, short bristles, because it's good for the lower. Hopefully it doesn't make too much mess, but I'm just a messy messy person when it comes to mascara. So let's go ahead and give it a try. I'll go ahead and apply it onto this side. Ooh, it's already making my lashes looks really nice. I've already curled my lashes. I don't think it's making my lashes looks longer. Let's see the claim for this.
One days and nights when you want your lashes to look larger than life, this jet black mascara will be your new BFF. After you close up, this innovative fiber formula will give even the tiniest lashes extreme volume. So it's supposed to give volume, definition, and length without the clumps or flakes.
It's definitely giving volume to my lashes, but not length. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side and also do the rest of my face. We'll be back. We have 2 more products, so I'll be right back. This is from Dose of Colors. This is their liquid matte lipstick in Old Flame. So we have a frosted packaging. It's really pretty, white top. Let's go ahead and see the shade. It's really pretty. I've already lined my lips. I use the Becca Ultimate Lip Definer. This is in Vacation. Now I'm just going to use this liquid lipstick just to fill in the middle. Such a pretty spring color. Pretty. Pop on a lip gloss on top. Ooh, you are spring, summer ready. So you guys, this is our last product right here. This is the Very Best Cream Rose. It says that you slather this body cream, so this is a body cream, on a damp skin. As soon as you hop out of the shower, it will lock in the extra water for long-lasting hydration. So love the packaging. It is so pretty, you guys. Look at this. It has like a marbled purple. It has gold. It's pink. It's just gorgeous packaging. I can't tell you what smell it is, but it smells so good, you guys. I can't do perfume, sadly, because of my migraine, but I can do a little bit of scent on the lotion. But if it's a perfume that would linger for a while, I can't do it. It's so sad because I love scents, and there are scents that I can stand, but most of the time it just gives, you know, it triggers my migraines. It smells so good, you guys. It smells so expensive. I I can't pinpoint it, but it smells so good, you guys. That is everything that we have in our box for this month. I enjoyed every single products that I have. The palette was my pick for this month's box, so definitely enjoyed that palette. If there is an eye look that I can do every day, this is definitely it. Love the shade of the lips, definitely ready for spring and summer. Let's see, what else did we get? The mascara is pretty good, you guys. It definitely did a good job on the bottom. The eyeliner, I mean, we did really good with the wingy ding ding. It's just, I just messed up, so that's my fault, but it's pretty cool that it is dual ended. You get a liquid liner and you do get a pencil at the other end, and then the body cream that is gonna smell so good on the body after shower. What else did we get? That's it. And yeah, that's it. 5 products that's in our box this month is pretty amazing. Great job, Ipsy, for picking all the products in my box. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. You guys, I will put all the products that I got in this month's box on the card, and let me know which one is your favorite in my box. And then on the comment section, let me know if you have the same variation in your box. If you didn't, let me know which one is different from your box and which one is your favorite. If you guys haven't subscribed, please do so. Everything that I have on my face is going to be in the description below. I hope you guys are staying safe. I hope you guys are staying safe, staying indoor, practice that social distancing. Be safe, you guys, and like always, I will catch you on my next one. Bye, guys.